Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. When you can accurately uh, assess the market or give a good market trend analysis, you greatly improve the probabilities of being in the right trades at the right time. And that's just a function of, we can see in the Dow that it's not going anywhere. It's not in an uptrend. The downtrend is really lethargic. So it's still in the wait and see mode as far as this debt ceiling negotiations. However, that doesn't preclude us from analyzing the fact that the NASDAQ includes the big names, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, all of those are moving in a positive direction. So that's very simple logic. If that's the areas that you want to be investing in, stocks that are related to the NASDAQ area. And you can pick out the stocks that are moving well. Our recommendation on Upstart was basically because we could see the slow curve, the breakout, the bobble breakout, and it's still running in a strong direction. How long do we hold on to this position? Until we see a candlestick sell signal. So that slow curve is just one of the aspects of candlestick analysis that allows us to analyze the buildup of investor sentiment that puts you in situations where the big moves are now, or your position that you're in the big moves, based upon just being able to analyze that this is investor sentiment building up. There's no bearish sentiment. So when you see a pattern setting up like this, you'll probably see in our members area, this being on one of the recommended stocks for tomorrow. You can see the slow curve. You can see how they gapped it up. There's a big gap area here that if they get up into that range, you got a lot of upside potential. Works just as well on the downside. We recommend shorting Crocs because of the dumpling top. Also a slow curve type setup, but just bigger. And we also demonstrate how to use candlestick signals going into earnings. Dix will be reporting earnings tomorrow, but there doesn't look like there's a whole lot of bullish sentiment, which means the people that know what's going on with that company, that follow it closely, aren't buying going into the earnings. Everything built into candlestick analysis, as it will be reporting in our members chat room tonight, is all based on identifying which signals and patterns are going to be acting the strongest depending on which way the overall market trend is moving. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Whoops, that should be May 22nd.